Every process begins long before steel and machines. Quality starts in the ground. Each root carries potential. Harvest moves as one system. Speed matters, but care matters more. The first cleansing begins. Only the best moves forward. Selection shapes the outcome. Handled with precision. Every step is timed. No movement is wasted. The journey continues. From soil to system. Scale demands coordination. The environment begins to change. Raw materials enter control.
Human judgment still leads.
And now, the factory takes over. Arrival marks the first transfer of control.
Precision replaces distance. Movement pauses with purpose. Weight prepares to shift.
Gravity is carefully managed. Raw volume enters the system.
Every design serves flow. Mass becomes motion. The handoff is complete. Inside, consistency rules. Separate paths become one. Human oversight remains constant. Uniformity is engineered. The next stage waits.
Transport gives way to treatment.
Order precedes cleansing. The factory breathes with the process.
Every byproduct is managed. Gravity becomes a tool.
Material re-enters the system.
Scale defines efficiency.
Oversight never leaves.
Balance is monitored constantly.
Flow is directed with intent.
Outer layers are removed.
Nothing is left unmanaged.
The core is revealed.
Depth adds control. Preparation intensifies.
Size becomes uniform. Consistency builds efficiency. Transformation approaches. Structure begins to change. Solid becomes substance. Raw structure gives way to refinement.
Size and purity are separated.
Only the usable continues. Refinement narrows the path.
Cleanliness is enforced mechanically. Human eyes confirm machine decisions. A second pass ensures purity.
Uniformity emerges. Gravity finishes the work. Impurities are stripped away. The process seals itself.
Nothing moves unseen. Stability is controlled. Records preserve consistency. Preparation is complete.
Transformation now begins.
The foundation is set.
Motion activates chemistry. Control replaces chance.
Conversion is precisely triggered. Starch begins to release.
Heat is carefully balanced.
Supervision never leaves the floor.
Conversion moves forward. Timing defines outcome. Readiness is measured.
The process deepens. Structure gives way to sugar.
Energy accelerates change.
Excess is removed. Readiness becomes visible. The next phase awaits.
Conversion gives way to creation. The environment is prepared.
Life enters the liquid.
Transformation begins silently. Sugar turns to alcohol.
Balance is maintained. Pressure is carefully relieved.
Conditions are constantly verified.
Experience confirms the data.
Time does its work.
The liquid is ready.
Purification begins.
Alcohol is separated by heat.
Density defines direction.
Purity is layered.
Refinement continues.
Heat is removed. Clarity is achieved. The spirit takes form.
Precision defines quality.
Consistency is multiplied.
Automation refines repetition. Data watches what hands once did.
Every movement is mapped. Adjustments are calculated. Decisions move matter. Paths converge precisely.
Balance is engineered. Verification never pauses.
Testing begins early.
Quality travels ahead. Consistency is blended.
Uniformity is preserved.
Clarity is protected.
The profile is locked. The system approves. The next stage activates.
Preparation meets precision.
Accuracy now defines value.
Every container receives exact measure. Precision fills every vessel. Human oversight seals confidence.
Every closure is exact.
Presentation matches precision.
Technology enforces perfection.
Only the flawless proceed.
Identification is guaranteed.
Flow leads to order.
Automation structures the outcome. Protection prepares for transport. Security meets stability.
Tracking ensures traceability. Placement is precise. Space is optimized.
Inventory waits for dispatch.
Prepared goods meet vehicles.
Transport readiness is confirmed.
Every batch faces scrutiny.
Precision begins at the smallest scale.
Metrics conform purity.
Reactions are observed.
Time verifies consistency.
Mass defines accuracy.
Composition is dissected.
Records reinforce trust.
Taste aligns with standards. Appearance matters. Texture confirms quality.
Imperfection is removed.
Traceability ensures accountability.
Documentation preserves integrity.
Verification complements production.
Results flow directly to implementation. Quality guides every decision.
Approval signals the next phase.
Every bottle begins its journey. Packaging secures the product. Every layer locks in quality. Identification ensures traceability.
Structure prepares for transport. Protection meets efficiency. Storage is organized. Inventory waits for delivery. Prepared goods meet transportation.
Dispatch readiness is complete. Every shipment is accounted for. Departure signals completion.
Every load is verified.
All products await the journey.
And this is how modern factories produce premium liquor from start to finish.
Completion is visible from every angle.
From raw harvest to dispatch, every stage is seamless.